Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of Discord. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Discord and you will enter. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. Then you can go to Play Store, you can search about Discord, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.